Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who do not know, and for those of you who've been with me for a while, thank you as always for coming back. Today we are doing a special video because I've uploaded quite a few hair videos before, so I've never highlighted my favorite hair videos. Just as a disclaimer, because I feel like it's necessary, I am not a hairdresser. I am the type of person that I feel like if you can do it and I watch you do it enough, I can probably try to do it. So that's basically my story as far as hair goes. I am not a hairdresser. Growing up in the Caribbean, my sister was always the one who was super skilled. She would make wigs, she did braided hairstyles, anything you can imagine, she was the one that did it. And she also always did it for me. So basically I've been exposed to it. I can do like the bare minimum, but I am no expert whatsoever. However, I have come up with a few fire hairstyles, and I feel like it's time that I count down like my top 5. I'm gonna go in order of preference from number 1 to 5, and 1 being my favorite. So let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I felt like it was definitely a special one, at least for me. My favorite crochet hairstyle is actually my most watched video on my channel. To this day, I am still so shocked that that is my most liked, most watched video. It's shocking. Thank you to all of you who have made that possible. We are over 10,000 views on that video. I'm still shocked. So anyway, initially, as you guys know the story, if you've looked at it, you know that I twisted the hair. It took me forever. And I was like, oh my goodness, like this is taking forever and a day. It should not take that long, but I was committed to the cause. I finished it and it looked pretty good when I was done twisting. It is similar to this one I'm wearing, but it was the Springy Afro twist. And so I was like, okay. And then when I kind of got to play with it a little, I untwisted the hair and it was almost like magic. Like that is basically like what I would really want my hair to look like if I had that type of texture and length. It was just so fabulous, and I rocked it so much before I took it out. And that was the Springy Afro twist from my top 5. Number 2 was the 3 times wavy feathered twist. Now, I wasn't sure how to feel about that one initially, although at first it felt a bit weird, like a bit coarse. I just stuck to it. I installed it exactly how it came. And knowing me, of course, as usual, I do not know how to keep a hairstyle for very long. So of course I untwisted it, and it was just light and feathery and just fabulous. And I loved the length. Of course, I cut it off. I never keep my hairstyles for more than a month. And if I do keep it for a month, my scalp, because of my seborrheic dermatitis, has to be on its best behavior for me to keep a crochet hairstyle over a month. That's the only reason I take it out so often, because I just cannot keep it in, y'all. It's just, the struggle is real. And like I said, that one definitely grew on me and I just loved it so much. So that was the 3X wavy feathered twist. My number 3 was the twin deep crochet. That was the very first time I was wearing that one, and it was very different from the texture that I typically like, because I like a little bit more texture, just so it can almost reflect my natural hair, if you know what I mean. I really like that one. I think mostly because of the length and the highlights, the gold highlights, the bronzy gold highlight was just absolutely stunning. I wore it towards the end of 2019, going in 2020, and it was just fabulous, honey. I was serving looks on that hairstyle. Like, it was so good. So that was the twin deep crochet hair. Number 4, I recently did this one like a couple weeks ago. You guys know, if you saw my video, I got the hair from the company. They were so gracious to send it over to me to try out. I think it was super fun to wear. It was bouncy and fun and flirty. I loved the ombre effect on that one. It came like, in the original version was very springy. I opened it up a little bit, and then that's what you see in the video. This is actually still the hair I am rocking today. If you saw my short video that I recently uploaded, how I restyle my crochet. I just went to town on this one. I twisted it because it was getting so poofy and a little bit tangled, even if I did like it a lot, like it was getting way too much for me. And so I did this with it, you know, and then it turned out like this, which I really like, because you still see the ombre effect and you still have the color that kind of brings up my skin tone, to be honest. So yeah, my final video is actually one that I did for my good friend Cherie. She asked me to do her hair and I was like, cool, sure, come over. So we got the hair. It was the Freetress dip twist, and actually that is probably one of her favorite like hair to wear. And so yeah, we went and I did it, and I really truly loved how it turned out on her. There's a reason why she loves it so much, because it was just perfect on her. She looked amazing and it was super easy to install as well. Like, crochet hairstyles are so easy, so versatile. You can switch it up pretty often because the hair in itself is like inexpensive. It makes it fun to change your hairstyle around and do all of that. So yes, and on her hair, it's like I was able to style it using the mousse. You know, you can spray it a little bit with water, add the mousse. It gives the hair a little bit more definition. These are my top favorite crochet hairstyles that I've ever done. I mean, I did quite a bit, but the more I got into it, the more I learned to play with it. And that's why I can cut it. And I'm never afraid to do so, because if I make a mistake, like, it's just gonna be a fashion for at least a week, y'all, because I will rock anything. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. Again, I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, and a lot of perfume reviews. If you haven't checked them out, please feel free to do so. Check my playlists, because I have a lot. And yeah, if you like my vibe, if you like those things that I just mentioned, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, join the family, also hit the notification bell for future uploads. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.